Hello guys, I'm Hoa. Now I make a canvas with two characters. Let's start. The first character and the ask and two character answer the question. Let's start. Do you think you can cook better than your mother? No, I don't think that. My mother cooked really good. I'm glad to eat food by mother cook. It tastes great. Who is the better cook? Your mother and your grandmother? Of course, my grandmother. You know, she is the person who cooks very well. My grandmother usually cooks some of my favorite foods for me. I'm crazy about it because it is very yummy. I really like it. Are cooking shows popular in the country? Do you watch any cooking shows? In my country, cooking shows are popular, like MasterChef, chuột cơm mẹ nấu. And to be honest, I don't watching shows because I don't like cooking. What the hardest food thing to cook? Fish. Fish is the hardest food to cook. I am a big fan of fish, but I don't like it because fish have a fishy smell. I don't like it. It makes me feel uncomfortable. What are some the advantages of cooking your meal at home? Advantage? In my opinion, I think when you cooking meals at home, you can save a lot of money. You have a meal good quality, safe, and you can protect your health. How about the disadvantage? You know, when you finish your meal, you must wash dishes, cleans my house and kitchen, waiting time. Is it important for husband to know how to cook? It is very important because I don't know how to cook, so I need a husband who cooks for me. Who is the best cook you ever know? I think this is my friend. She cooks very good. Your food make me feel mouth watering. I love how flavorful the food. Thank you for listening. Good night.